This weekly crop review is brought to you by Bsiasr Group, Bsiasr Industries Limited.
June 14th marked the end of week 20 of the 2014-2015 sugarcane crop season. The report provided by the Bsiasr Industries Limited shows that for week 20, which started on June 8, the factory milled 47,079 tons of cane. So far, for the 20 weeks of crop, the factory has milled a total of 999,402 tons of cane. That is 28,083 tons less than what was milled last year, when the factory milled 1,027,485 tons of cane. Taking a look at sugar production, 5,068 tons of the sweetener was produced for week 20. For the 20 weeks of crop, a total of 123,261 tons of sugar have been produced. That figure surpasses the amount of sugar produced last year of 107,567 tons. For week 20 of the crop, the factory worked at a grinding rate of 6,726 tons cane per day. For the 20 weeks of crop, grinding rate stands at 7,139 tons cane per day. Last crop, the grinding rate stood at 7,339 tons cane per day. The report on cane quality shows that for week 20, juice purity first expressed stood at 87.58%, 88.7% for the 20 weeks of crop, and 86.25% last year. For week 20 of the crop, it took 9.29 tons of cane to produce 1 ton of sugar. Overall, TCTS stands at 8.11. Last year, it stood at 9.55. As for the sugar extracted from the cane, 95.53% was recorded this week, 95.33% for the 20 weeks of crop, and 95.31% last year during the same period. This week, factory time efficiency stood at 98.92, 97.77 for the 20 weeks of crop, and 95.46 last year. Reports show that factory performance continues to be affected by poor weather conditions, with 47,079 metric cane tons milled for the week. Sugar quality, final molasses exhaustion, and overall sugar recovery are being affected by high dextrin and starch levels in the cane juice. Cañeros, la sobrequema y los niveles en exceso de lodo necesitan ser continuamente controlados, ya que estos tienen un efecto directo y negativo en la calidad de la caña, particularmente en el TCTS, toneladas de caña por tonelada de azúcar.
This weekly crop review was brought to you by Bsiasr Group, Bsiasr Industries Limited.